The VRS Damda Glide Pro wallet case is a sleek yet highly functional solution for Galaxy S25 Ultra users who need both protection and convenience. Designed with a sliding card compartment, it securely stores up to 4 cards, eliminating the need for a separate wallet while maintaining a slim profile. Built with a dual-layer structure, this case features a rugged TPU inner layer and a hard polycarbonate outer shell, providing robust drop protection. The raised edges around the screen and camera module offer additional safeguarding against scratches and impact. Despite its solid construction, the case remains ergonomic, with tactile button covers ensuring a responsive feel. The Damda Glide Pro's standout feature is its smooth sliding card compartment, which operates effortlessly with a push mechanism. Unlike many wallet cases, this design keeps cards hidden and easily accessible, making it ideal for those prioritizing both security and convenience. However, due to the added compartment, wireless charging compatibility is sacrificed, which may be a drawback for some users. While the case is slightly bulkier than standard protective covers, its well-balanced weight distribution makes it comfortable to hold. The textured grip further enhances handling, reducing the likelihood of accidental drops. Priced reasonably for its durability and functionality, the VRS Damda Glide Pro is a smart investment for anyone seeking a wallet case that doesn't compromise on protection or usability. If you value practicality and rugged security, this case is a top contender for your Galaxy S25 Ultra.